The 2018 October to December short rains were generally late and erratic. Spatial distribution was poor across the country. Temporal distribution was poor throughout the season, dominated by long dry spells between rainfall episodes. Seasonal totals were achieved in late November and early December. The rainfall ended during the second and the third weeks of December, which was earlier than normal. However, the food security situation deteriorated in pastoral and marginal agriculture livelihoods because of poor performance of the season. The projected average rains are expected to bring about regeneration of forage and water resources by late March to early April. However, you may note that the focus by the Kenya Meteorological Services is a question of probability. The focus is good, but it's a question of probability. And yeah, so based on that, the focus in terms of food security, we are looking at an improved situation. As at now, it's 800,000, but there's another 300,000 that are likely to fall into that phase in the coming. It could be in the coming 1 month if the situation doesn't improve.